discuss about dynamic SQL with temp tables. So when it will require means, so here in previous we have discussed about dynamic SQL with output parameters. So from this we can able to get one or more values, but in some cases we may get multiple values or else multiple records from dynamic SQL. So in that case, how to write the query in dynamic SQL? So here I am getting two values from EMP table or passive table, but I may get 10 records, okay, or 100 records, lack of records. So in that case, how to do that? So the option is temporary table. So dynamic temporary table. So create procedure dynamic underscore temp. Here table name varchar of 50 and column name varchar of 50 and value. This is integer. Like I want to get the department number of 30 values records from dynamic SQL. After that only I want to get the department name or department location for that department 30. Okay, how can you do that? Integer as begin and declare @SQL varchar of max and set @SQL here. First of all, we need to create the temporary table. Okay, for that I need employee table script. Why? Because I need to get the data from employee table, so that I need to create same structure which belongs to the employee table. So just I am copying this to here and put it here and change the name. So I am creating local temporary table, not global temporary table. Okay, and here now insert into temp the brackets employee number, ename and job mgr comma hire date comma sal commission department number. Okay, now select all these column names. I am taking from, take that parameter table name and select star from table name here, where and plus column name. Okay, column name means COL name plus equal plus value. Okay, now for that print @SQL and exec of SQL and select star from temp. Okay, so dynamic SQL, dynamic underscore temp. Here table name is EMP, and what we'll have next one is column name DEPT number, and value is the integer. So integer means we have to write here hash of integer varchar. Okay. Get it and see. I can get. Okay. So now you can join that with department D alias name, and here on T dot department number equal to D dot department number. And now take alter. We can get all the records, but be aware of this repeated column names. Okay, we should not give like that. If you give like that, API people will confuse, and so we will get error also sometimes. Okay, so better to specify the column names. So this is here. If you want, suppose I want to have salary 3,000 employee only. See, I can have. See how it is beautiful dynamic SQL with the temporary table. See here, if you pass column name and value, then it automatically takes based upon the column name and value. So here I can pass here MGR equal to 7566. MGR column name and 7566 is the value. I can get that records. And again employee number 7788. EMP number is the column name, 7788 is the employee name. See, I can get only that record. Okay. So suppose same structure we are having like employee 10. In employee 10, how many records are there? In employee 10, department number 10 is there. Suppose if I pass employee 10 department and again along with the same records, or else DEPT number here 30. If I pass 30, which is not available in EMP 10, okay, it will not display. So if I pass 10, then I can able to display. See, that means we can pass table name as a parameter. Okay, if you want to give any kind of name, you can give, but main condition is that temporary table structure should match with parameter table name structure. That is only condition. And column names are, we have to give column names properly. Suppose if you give invalid column name, that means which does not match with the temporary table column name, then it will throw error. Okay, sorry, not temporary table. If you give invalid column name, like if you do invalid column name means which does not exist in the parameter table name, then it will throw an error. Okay, temporary column name, it should not be same like this. See, If I give like job 1, job MGR 1, I date 1, salary 1, commission 1, department number 1, then here also if you change, that is enough. No need to have same column names, but data types it should be same. Here 1. So here also we need to use, see, automatically it gets error indication. We'll check. See, column names are different. Okay, so here you are passing table name as a parameter, column name as a parameter. So that column name, make sure that that column name exists in table name or not. If it does not exist in table name, that column name does not exist in table name, definitely you will get error. For example, I am giving department number. See, invalid column name, it is throwing exception. Okay. The temporary table column names and parameter table name column names. So we should not have same. Okay. So we should have, but it is not mandatory to have same column names. So if it is same, so no problem. If it is not also same, no problem. But make sure that here employee number refers to the employee number 1. That column names must be same. Okay, the column names from select query data types must match with the insert query table column names. So employee number data type must match with the employee number 1. E-name data type must match with the E-name 1. Job must match with the job 1 data type. Like that only. Okay, column names. So it is not need to, it is no need to be equal. Okay, so these are the conditions.